1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing the Chicks. They changed the name to the Chicks. Not ready to play nice. Okay, so this is a cool song. Not that many chords. I think it's 4 chords. The only thing we need to do is tune down the whole guitar for this lesson to E flat, so half a step down, okay? And then if you want to play along with their record, this is the tuning. Okay, so we got E minor, 1, 2. We got D major. Let's play D9, like first finger there and third finger on the B string. So no third, just open E. We got G. 1, 2, 3, and we got C. Okay, so the song starts like this with E minor. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 times. Downstroke. Okay, and then she starts singing. We got E minor to D, G major, skipping the G there. E minor, D, this time go to G, and C. It's every other time, first verse. And C, stay longer. Chorus, G major. D and E minor to C, G major, D major, E minor to C, back to verse and this time after D we're gonna go straight to C. See, I'm doing mostly downstroke. G. Okay, this time is a little bit different, so we're gonna do the G again. Last time there, for some unknown reason they did that. C. It's gonna take us to the chorus. E have a bridge which goes G. It goes G D C. 4 times, I believe, and then it's chorus out, and they kind of end with the intro. G C. Not Ready to Play Nice. What a great song. The Chicks. All right, guys. Just remember to tune down to E flat when you do this lesson, okay? Thanks so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Be well. Thank you.